Hello guys, finally I am back. Hope you guys doing okay and sorry for delay in videos, but from now I will upload videos regularly. For now, Samsung has finally launched Galaxy S22 series and we're gonna talk about each and every variant of Galaxy S22 series. So let's get started. The epic standard of smartphone which comes in three variants: Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra. All models have front and back Gorilla Glass covered with aluminum frame that makes durability but also premium in-hands feel. Coming to the display, S22 have dynamic AMOLED 2x HDR10 Plus 120Hz refresh rate with 6.1-inch LCD with 1300 nits 1080p video resolution with front-facing selfie shooter punch-hole camera which contains 10 megapixel f2.2 26mm wide 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 30 fps. On the back side, it has triple camera setup: 50 megapixel f1.8 23mm wide dual pixel main lens, 10 megapixel f2.4 telephoto 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel f2.2 120 degree with ultra wide super steady lens, 8K at 24 fps 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 960 fps HDR10 plus video resolution. Coming to the processor, all three models have 4nm chipset, the fastest chipset ever on Galaxy, powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, while Europe and elsewhere will get Exynos 2200. Both are 4nm chipset that use in ARM v9. Here are some detail in images. Whichever version of the phone you get, it will be paired with 8GB RAM and choice of 128GB and 256GB of storage. Coming to the battery, the S22 has a 3700 mAh with 25 watts fast charging. Coming to the next variant, S22 Plus, it has larger display, 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus display with 1750 nits 1080p video resolution. On the front side, it has punch-hole selfie shooter with 10 megapixel f2.2 26mm wide dual pixel PDAF 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. Again, on the back side, it has triple camera setup: 50 megapixel f1.8 23mm wide dual PDAF main lens, 10 megapixel 2.4 70mm telephoto 3x optical zoom and 12 megapixel f2.2 13mm 120 degree with ultra wide lens with 8K 24 fps 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. Again, it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200, but you will get only 8GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB storage option. On the battery section, it has 4500 mAh with 45 watts fast charging. Here's the detail of S22 and S22 Plus. Now coming to the main highlight, Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Ultra model is always different from other Samsung's model, but Samsung has really pushed that to its limits this year. The Ultra is larger than others model with larger display, 6.8-inch display, 1440p AMOLED at 120Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch sample rate, and the new number is 1750 nits of max brightness with LTPO2 panel, and they still got ultrasonic fingerprint reader and punch-hole camera in the top middle. Samsung has improved refresh rate, able to slow down to just 1 Hz when there is nothing moving on the screen. Although this is an awesome ultra display. Coming to the battery department, the battery is bigger too with a full capacity of 5000 mAh, charging in the same as the S22 Plus with 45 watts fast charging adapter. The chipset is the same as compared to the other two models: Exynos 2200 for Europe and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for the other regions, same as Eclipse 920 and Adreno 730. The starting RAM variant is 8GB that comes with 128GB storage, but if you jump up to 12GB RAM, you can also get 256GB 512GB option or even 1TB of storage space. That's really massive size of space. All three models line up with Android 12 One UI 4.1 out of the box. Coming to the main highlight, camera department of the front punch-hole camera has 40 megapixel f2.2 26mm wide PDF sensor which can take easily the best quality of selfie, and the main camera has huge 108 megapixel f1.8 23mm wide PDAF primary camera. The ultra wide 12 megapixel f2.2 120 degree 3x telephoto 10 megapixel f2.2 and the 10x telephoto 10 megapixel f4.1 plus laser autofocus and shoots 8K video at 24 fps. And there is the advanced feature that Samsung called nitography, which auto frame rate detects lighting and shift to the optical FPS speed, more detailed and brighter. There is also RAW app separate from the camera app that makes your photography advanced exactly like DSLR. That includes multi-frame in camera editing tool that lets you modify shutter speed, exposure level and many more. There are some other features also like Gorilla Glass Vectors IP60 IP68, water resistant. But the main purpose of this video should be buy it. Is it worth it? Basically, this is an expensive device, but if you want a standard flagship smartphone, then the S20 Plus is the great device. Big screen, nice camera, big battery, all in one. S22 Ultra have a specific extra thing like high resolution display, advanced camera and the raw camera. People who have S21 and Ultra phone then don't need to upgrade. You are okay with it. That's all for now. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. For now, I will upload videos regularly. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.